So first of all, thank you very much for watching my videos and thank you very much for your support. So today we are going to discuss about the problems based on ages. So problems based on ages, a very common topic for almost every competitive exams. Okay, so let us discuss this topic with the help of one example. So one of the question selected from previous asked question is given here. So with this question, let us explain the concept of problems based on ages. First, I will show you how to solve this question using the conventional method. But using the conventional method, if you solve this question, that will not help you in your competitive exams because you will be consuming a lot of time there. So let us find out the way to solve the same question within seconds. So let us solve this question using the conventional method, the school and college method what we have learned, and let us get the answer first. Then I will show you two different ways how you can solve the same question very fast when you write your competitive exam. Okay, so let us see this. So the question is given here. What's the question? The question is the difference between the present ages of A and B is 4 years. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be 9:8. First, find the present age. And 4 options are also given to you. So using the options also you can find out the correct answer within a fraction, within seconds. That I will tell you later. First, let us solve this question using the conventional method. Let us find the correct answer first. Once you are clear with the concept, then easily you can find out the shortcut method. Okay, so this particular question says the difference between the ages is 4 years. Here, before going to this question, I just want to tell you the basic concept of questions based on ages. Here you are talking about present age. So the concept is present age. So when we talk about the present age, we are talking about the age now. So present age, from present age we will calculate an age which is some years before or some years ago, or we will calculate some age which is some years after or some years hence. So here we have two very important words. One is after or hence. After or hence. And the second word is before or ago. So these are the words generally asked in the question. So when we want to know the present age, from present age you can calculate the age some years ago, some years before. So when you calculate some age some years ago, we need to subtract that particular number of years from the present age. For example, let us take a person whose age is 20 now. A person A whose age is 20 now. Now I want to calculate the age of that person 5 years before, 5 years ago. So what we do? We subtract 5 from 20 to get 15. So we have what? 20 minus 5 equal to 15. So if the present age of a person is 20 means 5 years ago his age was 15. Very simple. Very simple. But it looks simple. We need to apply it in the questions like this. Then it will be a problem. So that concept should be very clear, so that easily you can crack these type of questions. Similarly, if the present age of a person is 20, what will be his age 7 years hence? 7 years after. That means 20 plus 7, 27. So whenever you have words like after or hence, we need to add the number of years. Whenever we have words like before or ago, we need to subtract that many number of years from the present age. So every question will have this concept: present age, age in a past time, age in a future time. So when you get a future time, we need to add the number of years. When you find out the age in a past time, we need to subtract. So that's the main concept. And the second very important concept I want to tell you here is the difference between the ages. So that is also one of the very important concept here. The present age of two people, suppose let us take 30 and 32. 30 and 32. this is age of A and this is age of B. I'm talking about the present age. So now the question here is, after 5 years, what will be the difference between their ages? Here now when you see, the present age of A is 30, the present age of B is 32. The difference between their ages, 30 and 32, difference between their ages is 2. We need to find out what will be the difference between their ages after 5 years. So after 5 years, this person will become 35, this will become 37. Again, the difference will be 2 years. After 10 years, what will happen? After 10 years, this person will become 40, this will become 42. Again, the difference is 2 years. After 20 years, what will happen? After 20 years, this person will become 50, this will become 52. Again, the difference is 2 years. So difference between the present age will not change even if you calculate a age 5 years after or 5 years ago, or any number of years in the future or any number of years in the past. The difference between the ages will not change. This is one of the very important concepts we need to understand. If you know this much, then I am sure you can solve all questions based on ages with common sense, without using pen and paper. With normal tricks, just normal tricks, you can find out the answer from the given option. That method is what we are going to discuss today. Okay, so let us solve the given question using conventional method. Using the conventional method, let me solve this question. We will find out what is the correct answer from the given options. Then I will tell you what is the shortcut method to solve this question. So don't leave, watch this video full, so that at the end of this video you will get how to solve this type of questions without using pen and paper, or you can see mentally you can calculate and you can write the answer within seconds. This is what we are going to learn today. So how to do that? So before going to that method, let us solve it using the conventional method. Here what is given? The present age of A and B, the difference is 4 years. Let us take the present age of A is A and the present age of B is B itself. So we got A minus B equal to 4 years. That is our first equation. What I am doing, the present age of the person A, I am taking A, or you can take it as X, and the second person you can take it as Y. So I am taking the present age equal to A and the present age of B equal to B. So I got A minus B equal to 4, because the difference between their ages is given to you in the question. It is 4 years. Now what is given? It is given also that after 5 years their ages will be in the ratio 9:8. So accordingly we can write the answer. After 5 years, A will become A plus 5. And B will become B plus 5. That means A plus 5 divided by B plus 5, that is a ratio. That ratio is equal to 9/8, 9:8. When you cross multiply, what I will get? 8 into A, 8A plus 8 into 5, 40 equal to 9 into B, 9B, 9 into 5 plus 45. So I can take this 9B from this side to this side. So 8A minus 9B, I will take this 40 to that side. It becomes 45 minus 40 equal to 5. So I got a second equation here. So this is my second equation. This is my first equation. Let me solve this equation. Here you have 8A. Here you have only 1A. Here you have 9B. Here you have 1B. We need to find out the age of A. We need to find out the age of A. That means we want to eliminate the age of B. Once you eliminate the age of B, we will get the age of A, because we need to find out the age of A here. So to eliminate the age of B, let us multiply this equation by 9. So this will become what? 9A minus 9 into B, 9B equal to 9 into 4, 36. So now these are the two equations. This is your second equation. This is your first equation. This first equation multiplied by 9 I have written here. Now using this equation we can solve. When you subtract this equation from here, 9 minus 8, I'll get 1a. 9b and minus 9b get cancelled. 36 minus 5 equal to 31. So I got the age of A. Age of A is 31. That is the present age of A. Present age of A equal to 31. So accordingly, from the given options, I can mark 31 is the correct answer. This is the conventional method. This is the original method of solving this question. This can be asked in a 9th standard or a 10th standard level students. If they do it this way, they will get 3 mark or 4 mark in their exam. But if you follow the same method in a competitive exam, your SBA exam or IBPS exam or Staff Selection Commission exam, any competitive exam, if you follow this method, definitely you will get the answer, but you are taking at least 1 to 2 minutes for this. So time management is very, very important. We need to save the time. So this method of solving these type of questions will not help you in your competitive exam. So we need to have a shortcut method, a very, very fast calculation method where we can find out the correct answer within seconds. By reading the question, we need to find out the correct answer. So what is that method by using which you can find this answer without solving this much? That is what I am going to tell you now. So here you can see, let us remove all these things. We understood that 31 is the correct answer. So now let us find out 31 in a shortcut method. What's the shortcut method? Here it is given the difference is equal to 4 years. This is one information. You need not to write everything in your exam paper. You need not to write everything in your exam paper, because all this information you have to keep it in your mind, and that will come only by practice. So this, by solving this question, I'll clear your concept. But once your concept is clear, you need to take more and more questions and practice. That will definitely increase your speed. So what is given? It is given that the difference is 4 years. So we understood difference is 4 years. And also it is given that the ratio after 5 years will be 9:8. After 5 years, the ratio will be 9:8. But we know the concept that after how many years, 5 years or 10 years or any number of years, the difference between them will not change. The difference between them will not change. So here you can say A's age and B's age are in the ratio 9:8. That means 9 part is the A's age. 9 part means 9 multiplied by 1 part. See, 1 part is 4 years. What is the difference between 9:8? 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. That means 1 part is equal to 4 years. 9 minus 8. The ratio given is 9:8. The difference between 9 and 8 is what? 1. That means that 1 part will be equal to 4 years. So 9 part will be equal to 9 into 4, 36. So this ratio is after 5 years. We want to find out the age at present. After 5 years, it will be 36. So what will be the age now? 36 minus 5. So 36 minus 5 equal to 31. So this way you can calculate the present age. One method. Now there is one more method which is also called option verification method. What is that option verification method? We need to find out the correct option by verifying the given option. This method also we can use for many questions when you write the competitive exams, and it will definitely help you. What is the option verification method? The option verification method is nothing but we are verifying the given option with the current question. So it is given, many options are given to you. Here we know 1 part is equal to 4, because the difference is given to you 4 and the ratio is given to you 9:8. So 9 minus 8 is 1 part. That 1 part will be equal to 4. So 9 part will be equal to 9 into 4. 9 into 4 equal to 36. Now we need to find out which one of the given option is a multiple of 9. So the first option is given to you 32. 32 is not a multiple of 9. Then next one is given to you 31. So 32 is not a multiple because 32 plus 5 after 5 years, 32 plus 5, 37 is not a multiple of 9. Next is 31. 31 plus 5, 36. Yes, it is a multiple of 9. Next option is 24. 24 plus 5 equal to 29. It is not a multiple of 9. Next is 28. 28 plus 5 equal to 33. No, it is not a multiple of 9. So the only option which is a multiple of 9 is 31 plus 5 equal to 36. That means if the present age is 31, then after 5 years it will become 36. 36 can be a multiple of 9. If 36 comes, it can be in the form of 9:8. So option verification also we can do. This is one of the other method. Okay, so the traditional method, the conventional method what we follow, that is only for schools and college exams. Same method you cannot follow for a competitive exam. For a competitive exam we need to solve it using shortcut methods, fast method. And if you practice it, I am sure, practice with more and more question, once you are clear with your concept, you can solve these type of questions without even pen and paper. Okay, so next video we will meet with more and more questions on the same topic. Take care. Bye bye.